government has been forced to bail out mortgage lender Caisse Centrale du Crédit Immobilier de France, or CIF, in what marks the latest example of a European state propping up a domestic bank. The French Finance Ministry will seek approvals from both the European Union and the French Parliament to extend state guarantees on CIF's debt. The bank, which specialises in loans to housing programmes, is thought to hold €30 billion in outstanding loans. A government official has said that it will underwrite nearly €5 billion in immediate financing for the bank in order to assist the lender in paying bonds due today, but is yet to say whether it will wind down operations or assist CIF in finding a buyer. CIF's death notice was signed last week as Moody's Investors Service cut its debt rating, citing a rising probability of a run-off scenario for the CIF banking group and associated transition risks for creditors, rendering the bank unable to raise the payment funds required by itself. The government had hoped that Banque Postale, the banking arm of the state-owned French post office, would step in to take over CIF. However, the organisation chose not to make an offer. Banque Postale is already embroiled in another rescue programme, having agreed to partner the Caisse de dépôt et consignations, the French sovereign wealth fund, in order to buy Franco-Belgian lender Dexier's French municipal finance unit. The French government has temporarily guaranteed more than one-third of the €55 billion required by Dexier to refinance itself. Speaking in an interview, French Prime Minister Jean-Marc told a radio station that while the country's financial sector remains largely strong, the areas covered by both Dexier and CIF, being local governments and housing, justified state intervention. The state is fulfilling its responsibilities, he stated, admitting, "Is our room to manoeuvre reduced? Obviously, yes." France's PMI for August out on Wednesday is expected to remain at a stable 50.2. For more coverage on data releases like this, stay tuned to Dukascopy TV.